In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image to your WordPress site. Customizing your website's look is a great way to make it stand out and reflect your brand's personality. Whether you're creating a blog, an online store, or a portfolio, adding a background image can give your site that extra touch of professionalism and creativity. Don't worry if you're new to WordPress. This tutorial will guide you through every step, so by the end, you'll feel confident making this change and more. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can sign up using the link provided in the description below. It's quick and easy to get started. Let's begin by logging into WordPress. First, open your web browser and head over to www.wordpress.com. Once there, look to the top right corner of the homepage and click on the Login option. Now, instead of entering a username and password manually, I recommend choosing the Continue with Google button. This method is both fast and secure, saving you time while keeping your account protected. From the list of Google accounts displayed, select the one associated with your WordPress site. This ensures you're accessing the correct account right from the start, avoiding any unnecessary confusion down the road. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Now let's access the site editor so we can start customizing on your dashboard. Locate a section labeled Quick Links. It's typically near the center of the screen. Within this section, click on Edit Site. This will open the visual site editor, which is where all the magic of customization happens. If you manage multiple websites, you'll see a list of sites here. Make sure to click on the correct one that you want to edit. This step is especially important to avoid making changes to the wrong site. Now that you're in the site editor, let's move on to adding your background image. Look towards the top right corner of the interface and find the Styles option. Go ahead and click on that. The Styles menu is where all your visual customization settings live, so you'll want to remember this area for future design tweaks. Within the Styles menu, find and select the Background section. This is the option that controls everything behind your site's main content. Here, you'll see an option to add background image. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to either upload a new image from your computer or select an existing image from your media library. If you already have an image saved in your media library, simply scroll through and choose it. Alternatively, if you want to use a brand new image, select the Upload option and browse your computer files to find the one you want. Take a moment to ensure the image you pick aligns with the overall design aesthetic of your site. Once you've made your selection, confirm it, and WordPress will automatically apply the image as your site's background. After the image is applied, take a moment to review how it looks with your website's content. Does it complement your design? Is it visually appealing without being too distracting? If you're not completely satisfied, don't worry. You can always return to your media library or upload another image to experiment with different options until you find the perfect fit. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background image to your WordPress site. This small change can make a big difference in how your website feels to visitors. If you have any questions about this process or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.